nonsense.
We met her for the first time. Apparently she's wow. She's clicked sick pictures of me too.
9. So curious. I was like, oh my god, I want to go and find these.
Yeah, who are those stupid people?
Guys, we did some horror story thingy and everything, and right now the whole mood is like that, set like that. We are like chilling and sharing horror stories. Now we're gonna scare some people in the next room, which is Harshala and Samiksha. Harshala and Samiksha. Okay, let's go.
Twelve seconds later.
Do it a while.
What happened?
No, क्या हुआ? What happened?
20 minutes later.
We are trying to do a prank and it's getting choice.
अरे हाँ बट बाद में दिखेगा थोड़ा डरने के था.
I got scared, dude.
You got scared?
Yeah, I thought it's a guy, like a card guy, who's like.
But we knocked on their door and you were the one who was
I thought you guys knocked on my door. Like, I don't know.
It was pretty loud.
Was that door?
So you can't.
And those girls are not coming out only. By the way, guys, everything they have a security camera over there. They'll know how lame I've been in their property.
Good night, guys.
And I think they just don't wanna
Bye,
open the door. Bye, good night, guys. Yeah, tomorrow morning. Tomorrow morning, I'm gonna get kicked out of the property because they know how lame.
Correct!
Hello, good morning. It's morning 8:30 and I am fresh. I finished my shower. I'm ready. We're gonna do some meditation right now. I'm waiting for Mansi. She's also freshening up inside, but I like, yeah, feels great already. And let me show you all the view in the morning. It's very pretty. Now I'm confused between they provided us with coffee and green tea. Should I have some coffee like I always do in the morning? Or should I just skip it today because I feel fresh and fine already somehow? I think it's kind of has to do with cold water because the water wasn't that warm. So I was like, I like showering like that. But somehow after that shower, I feel a lot more like awake and fresh. Maybe that's the key to morning freshness. Freeze yourself with some cold water and then have a shower. Although you'll be suffering that time, but after shower you'll be fresh and wide awake.
This is Mansi. In the morning. Cranky. And not me pinning her right now to give me some content. Content. This is the breakfast era self-service. We had really good dinner also. I don't know, after coming back, we all were like so.
After coming back, we all were like so hungry. I didn't show you all that part. The food was also really nice. That's the plan. Breakfast and meditation. I don't know what we're gonna do first, but guys, we were banging her door last night, and she's reacting in the morning. Hello.
I did not get scared at all, but I was like, I get mad and I was so curious. I was like, oh my god, I want to go and bang these.
Yeah, who was those stupid people?
You all, everyone. I hate you guys. Only heartfulness here.
Only.
You're going to bang.
Yeah, hello. What's this rage?
ये वो क्लासेस में
I said let's not. We were like,
Yeah, I know. I had set my camera and all in the corner. I took 15 minutes to set the camera in the corner.
so long to set up the camera.
I was setting up the camera, guys, for 15 minutes in the corner for this, for her to react in the morning. We actually got dressed to come out and take some self-portraits. But look,
It's Dubai.
it's raining.
Hallelujah. It's raining.
It's raining. I was in such a good nap. I didn't want to wake up, but I still woke up. I was like, let me just
Everyone else is
just chilling. We were like, let's get out, let's get ready. We're in a different city, let's create content. But
That was pretty neat. Huh?
mad.
I don't know how to make it different.
1 second.
Okay, all of your satisfaction. I'll
Yeah,
keep it
done.
up. You won't. I saw you there and I was like, oh my god. Who is she?
No, just kidding. I just
drama.
and she said that she will make it for herself, but I want to pamper her because that's the kind of best friend I am. Not
She's a
everyone gets,
cutie.
yeah, not everyone gets the special treatment.
The only time she's making coffee for me when she does. इधर ला मैडम
Some hot
मैडम यहाँ पे रखो प्लीज
चाहिए मिलाती हूँ ना मैं बोलूँगी कैंसर
अरे बट मैडम यहाँ पे मैडम यहाँ पे रख दीजिए आप थैंक यू
I don't know how it's gonna taste. You know how room coffees are.
नहीं पसंद आया तो मुझे दूसरा बना के चाहिए
दूसरा भी सेम ही टेस्ट करेगा. Sachets नहीं है. कुछ अलग sachets नहीं है.
थैंक यू मैडम
No, actually, I need payment, ma'am. If not this, you can be my photographer for tomorrow and.
I am anyway.
She's anyway my photographer. She's clicked some bomb pictures of me, which you all will see on my Instagram.
Go follow her.
Instagram. Go follow me. Follow her. We're having brekkie. Me and Mansi are like thoda overdressed for ethnic.
So this is Sakshi. What she did is she had oranges and then she had a beetroot mixed with something drink and then she had coffee on top of it. Sakshi, how weird.
Guys, don't take eating advices from me, please. Suggestions. Guys, we're showing you all our outfits. Guys,
बंठन चली देखो आ जाती रह जा अबे वॉक ना बंठन चली देखो आ जा ए मटन वॉक
take her out.
अंजानी
This is like mine and Mansi's fixed seat for our ride every day. We love city. Yeah. Oh, woo.
Camera
Vlog.
vlog 5. What do you call it?
Vlog. I did this with Ria. I forgot. In one of my vlogs.
Vlog 5s.
Whatever. Ooh. Ooh. This is the world's largest meditation center over here. You can read it all over here.
She's famous already.
So right now we are at the world's largest meditation center, and we're gonna meet Daji. We're gonna do that right now.
That you believe that God is in everyone. It's a good belief. It's religion. Spiritual person experiences that.
We're planting some trees.
come back before sunset, right?
I'm gonna plant a tree over here, guys. I'll show you all the setup. It's damn cool.
So what we have done across campus is we have created patches of rainforest. So, but in a place like Hyderabad with such hot temperatures, we have managed to create rainforest patches, and it's without the usage of steel and concrete structures, which is one of a kind.
So basically, I'll be contributing to this plantation activity by planting one of the trees over here. Conservation activity.
Which is cousin, okay?
Ooh, this is the tree, that plant that I'm gonna
This
plant.
is a wild jackfruit. It grows up to 80 feet tall.
Whoa.
It's called Aini also.
Yeah, I'm
Beautiful.
Wow.
Beautiful tree. Come.
Hey, say some mantra or something, no? Like peaceful life.
Good thought.
Yeah.
I'm mentally saying good things only. You're the one spilling negativity over here.
No. Bro, I love you. You're a beautiful plant. I'll see you after 50 years. Whatever. And I'm naming you. I'm naming you Bablu.
No, this is my plant. Stop taking this. Get your own plant, bro.
Ew.
This is going to be sharp.
ये है उसके लिए support, okay? So I'll now teach you how to tie a support.
This is Krishna. Oh!
Now make an H out of it.
Not A. 8.
A कहाँ दिख रहा है तुझे ये? And I was a part of it. Thanks, guys. Thank you. This plant name is shark, by the way.
Hey, shut up.
Yes.
Shark.
Goes well
Can't
with
rename
it's
Shark.
from our region, by the way. It's a wild
Yeah.
jackfruit.
Whatever she says is final, so it's shark.
Acha. Okay. I don't mind. Oh, the golf cart is the one to mind. No,
Don't record me, please delete that.
We're going to.
sorry.
कुछ नहीं ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं सिर्फ रिकॉर्ड हुआ है वीडियो फुटेज so they might not give you the golf cart again
Leave the golf cart. Yeah, I will not let you.
Arey yaar, you know you're giving me stress now, man.
we're going to go and get some pictures now,
Right.
especially for my outfit with the pictures. We're at this spot which has like a old train which is so sick. We're planning to do some photo shoots out here.
Bro, this is the best thing I've ever done. Yeah, me too.
There are many species of Rudraksh. This is one of this, Elaeocarpus. It's a rainforest species. Yeah, there are many species. Elaeocarpus granitus is the Rudraksh that you wear. The other Rudraksh we make pickle out of it.
Okay.
Yeah, Serratus, Elaeocarpus floribundus. Look at this. This is Serratus. You make nice pickle out of this.
This is a snail. Crazy.
Cutie boy.
Cutie.
How many feet one?
He's into snails, guys.
I'm totally into.
Bro, what did you just say?
We're in the library, guys.
You right?
No. Do I give that vibe?
No, I'm just saying, I'm asking you.
This is the clothing section.
Wow, they have acid wash kurtas and all. Nice. Very nice and modern.
I think you're right. नाखून shape नहीं है तो the eyebrows.
So you know what? It's
Oh!
Yeah,
Eyebrows.
so you put
Then
this
what
on
is
your
it?
lips and then you like do this. And
It is for the eyebrows.
you get a
Pouch.
Yeah.
What do you do?
Anushka Sharma type, you get like lip injection.
There's a lip plumper.
Ah.
Okay.
Hey, what are you doing? Can I tell you what it is? It's for eyelashes.
Wow.
Oh yeah.
Wow.
Oh sorry. Why
Oh, yeah.
I wanted to say eyelashes, man. Shit.
No, you don't dip it.
Oh shit.
घुस नहीं रहा इसमें.
I don't think you can do it. Can you look up and do it? Put your face up.
Hey, nice.
Okay, I'll do and show it to you.
Yeah.
You could.
And then you press it like this, and then you press
Oh
it.
shit, that's
Wow.
gross.
You just press it, right?
Perfect. You're doing it properly. Come on, let's go.
You're a
Yeah.
natural.
He's coming for Mac.
Fuck, bro. ये क्या है?
So can you not use it now? Oh, you can. So you just put water and dilute it.
अबे ये
Guys, they are just damaging all my makeup and just
क्या है ये?
detangling and fixing. Like he just cracked open Mansi's.
We just bombed your house.
ये इधर आना, देखो
he's-
कुछ
he's
interesting चीज दिखा.
Detaching and attaching all my makeup products.
इधर ये रहा एक rocket.
Yeah, ask Pranav. Ask Pranav. Ask Pranav if he knows this.
Yeah. What is that?
this?
One thing I know this.
Yeah.
This for the nails we do.
That's right. That's right. Do it and show it to us.
We do it for the foot and I think.
Don't put it on your
No,
Arjun bhai क्या है?
What is this?
Plastic and metal.
What is,
Oh, yeah, so like.
what is it used for?
Buying it for, you know.
अरे यार ये वो है ना ये.
अरे वो हाथ की एक्सरसाइज होती है यार.
Perfect. Perfect.
Open that bottle यार.
Yes, yes. This man got it. He got it, guys. He got it. He's a champ.
the only one who.
क्या है ये?
Eyelashes तो सही करोगे नहीं अभी.
It's the last day here, guys. Our flight got delayed. It was supposed to be in the morning. It's fine. It's fine. It was supposed to be in the morning at 9, but now it's at 4. So we woke up aram se. We had our breakfast. We're getting ready. I'm ready. She's still doing her makeup. Let me show you all my fit. Like not the best with angles here.
Okay. Listen, can you just put the camera down, cat? Yeah. So she's taking a picture.
Nice, thanks. Thank you. Come with you. I'll say something. Cat, guys, damn sweet. Met her for the first time. Apparently she's wow. She's clicked sick pictures of me too. Thank you.
Do it again without you. Do it again.
Bye, guys.
Bye bye. Tata. Goodbye.